What's going on? We're back with another hard reset. We're going to do a Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. So if you have one of these with a pattern or a password that you forgot and you have to do a hard reset, we will show you how to do that. Just a heads up, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on there, just remember it will be deleted. If you haven't yet, subscribe. We got a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. But otherwise, let's dive right into this. So let's make sure the phone is off. If the phone's off, then all we're gonna do is hold volume up, which is right here. We have volume up, volume down, and power key. Hold volume up and power at the same time. So hold volume up first and then power. Once the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. And that gets us to our reset. Now, some of you guys might be saying, hey, my phone won't turn off because it says I have to put in the PIN or the password for it to turn off. Totally understandable. In that case, what you need to do is you need to hold both volume up and down and power button. Hold that until the phone basically is going to restart itself. So you'll hold all the buttons, and then I usually like to tap the screen to make sure I know when the phone's off. Once it's off, you just let go of volume up and just continue holding the volume down and power. And once you see that Samsung logo again, just let go of the power and keep holding volume down, and it will get you right into this in that situation if you can't turn the phone off. So keep that in mind. I know some of these Galaxies are a little bit weird with that, so just so you are aware. All right, so down here we will use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So we'll scroll all the way down to wipe data factory reset. All right, yes. This phone looks like it was international. It's coming up. I think it looks like it's Spanish or Portuguese. Can't really tell from a quick look. Once you do that, you can just reboot the phone or hit or power off, whichever way you want to do. In this case, I just hit reboot, so this will load to the welcome screen, and then you can set it up as new and go from there. So that is how you do a hard reset on a Samsung Galaxy A22 5G. If you guys want to see anything special, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.